Hey guys, Jack Leeson here with MajorLeagueTrading.com coming at you with the weekly Nadex trade plan video. First, to begin the week, I want to take a look at the major news announcements that we're going to have this morning, and these are Central Standard Times. We had Bank of Canada Business Outlook Survey, and then on Wednesday, no Forex news on Tuesday. However, Wednesday, the Great Britain Pound, 3:30 a.m. Central Standard Time, we're going to have manufacturing production. Followed up with crude oil inventories on Wednesday for the US dollar, and that's obviously going to be moving oil. And then at 6:30 p.m. Australian news retail sales. On Thursday at 7:30 PPI for the US dollar, and at 7:30 on Friday we're going to have our biggest news series for the week for the US dollar. We're going to have CPI, core retail sales, and retail sales. So really a pretty slow week for news events in the Forex markets. And this week I want to talk about the Nasdaq, and this is actually my trade plan worksheet that I look over every single day. And the one thing I want to highlight here is the index strength. So this is just a little graph that tells me over the last 1 day, 5 day, 10, 15, 20, and 60-day period what the percentage or point return is, the percentage return is. And on Friday, our strongest market was the Nasdaq. Over the last 5 days, the strongest market is the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq up 3.44%, actually since the year to date up 4% so far. So last week, the first week of the year, the Nasdaq had a 4% move higher. And they say so goes the first 5 days of the month of the beginning of the year. So the first 5 trading days in January, which Monday today would be the 5th day, as markets were closed last Monday, they say so goes the month. So if the performance in the Nasdaq is up the first 5 days of the year, the month of January will be up, and statistically the 2018 will be up. Statistically speaking, there's a higher percentage chance that we are up at the end of this year. But really I want to focus on the shorter duration, or really just looking into the next month here in the Nasdaq, because we had a 4% move first 4 trading days, and the Nasdaq's up here again. So I want to highlight where I think the Nasdaq is going. My upside profit target right now in the Nasdaq that I believe is possible to hit this week is 67.38. So there's a potential that we move up into that 67.38 level. And what I'll be doing this entire time is I'm looking for really long-sided trades only in the Nasdaq. I'm not looking to short this market. I don't think that's right now, in my opinion, an effective strategy. You can see just looking at this chart how strong we have been really coming out of the first trading day of the year, which was Tuesday the 2nd. Big move up Tuesday, big move up Wednesday. Thursday we did see some consolidation, which resulted in higher prices. Friday, higher prices again, and then today we're seeing higher prices. So right now, my support levels, I'm just marking up really this area where we bottomed out as the low of the week right now. That is 66.55 to 66.60. And for just like a technical analysis lesson, what I'll be doing as we go higher is the highs we take out will then become my support levels. And if you go back to last Wednesday, we take out highs on Wednesday, that becomes support. On Thursday, we take out highs, that becomes support on Friday. And we've really been following this method of the highs we take out, resistance becomes potential support. So as we get above this, I'm going to be trading 66.75 half as a potential support level, as well as marking this first swing low we've had of the week, 66.60 75 to 66.55 quarter, going into the rest of the week for major support. So I'm looking for potential long trade setups until we rally up into the 67.38 profit target that I have for this week in the Nasdaq. And that is going to conclude this week's trade plan for Nadex. If you're interested, check us out on YouTube, Major League Trading. Follow us on Instagram, Major League Trading, or you can find me on Twitter at Jack Leeson. Take care and have a great trading week, guys.